Meme coins have taken over the world, and the crypto space is no exception. Right now, meme coins are absolutely exploding and leading the charge. Dogecoin? The OG meme coin is making waves again, inching closer and closer to that magical $1 mark. If you've been holding Dogecoin before this surge, you're probably grinning from ear to ear, as your investment has skyrocketed by an incredible 14x or more. But don't worry if you feel like you've missed out on this opportunity, because today, I'm here to introduce you to another meme coin that's gearing up to make big moves. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss any key details about this exciting new project. Make sure to follow us on Twitter, where we share all the latest updates about crypto. The link is in the description. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Now, without further ado, let's dive in. Before diving into the project, let's take a moment to talk about the current state of the crypto market, because things are heating up. November was absolutely wild, with gains popping up everywhere, and now December is shaping up to be even more thrilling. Meme coins are making a massive comeback, bringing a nostalgic 2021 vibe, but this time the excitement feels even more intense. Dogecoin is leading the charge, proving once again why it's the undisputed king of meme coins. What started as a joke has evolved into a community-driven phenomenon, and the $1 dream is looking more achievable than ever. The buzz in the market is electric, setting the stage for new and innovative projects to emerge. This is where Aqua Doge enters the picture. It's not just another meme coin riding the wave. Aqua Doge is packed with real solutions, a vibrant community, and solid technology to back it up. So let's break it all down and see why this project could be a game changer. So what exactly is Aqua Doge? At its core, Aqua Doge takes the playful, community-driven spirit of Dogecoin and combines it with something seriously innovative, the first ever Layer 2 blockchain for Dogecoin, called Whirlpool. If you're not familiar with Layer 2 solutions, here's the short version. Layer 2 technology makes blockchain transactions super fast, dirt cheap, and way more scalable. For Aqua Doge, Whirlpool means zero gas fees, lightning-fast transactions, and an experience that's seamless for users. Basically, Aqua Doge isn't just keeping up with the game, it's changing the rules. Aqua Doge isn't just talk. This project is already gaining serious traction. They've raised over $600,000 in funding so far, and the community around Aqua Doge just keeps getting bigger. When it comes to crypto, tokenomics can make or break a project, and Aqua Doge has a plan that looks rock solid. Here's the breakdown. Aqua Doge's tokenomics are spot on for rewarding its community and driving growth. With 4.22 billion Aqua tokens in total, the allocation covers everything: pre-sale, staking rewards, marketing, liquidity rewards, and game prizes. Plus, even if you're buying on Solana or another network, claiming your tokens is super easy thanks to their simple bridging process. Here's why Aqua Doge's Aqua token stands out. It's packed with utility, giving people plenty of reasons to buy, hold, and use it. Players can earn Aqua as in-game rewards, fueling demand as more join the fun. You can even bet on pro gamers in tournaments, and if your pick wins, you share in the prize pool. Pro gamers also earn a cut based on how many people bet on them, keeping the competition alive and exciting. Plus, staking lets you earn passive rewards, while Aqua Doge's seamless bridging makes it easy to move tokens across networks without extra fees. This all creates a snowball effect. More players mean more demand, driving growth and opportunities for everyone involved. Getting your hands on Aqua tokens is super simple. Just pick one of the 9 supported networks, connect your wallet, choose from over 27 payment options, enter the amount you want, and hit buy. You can even stake your tokens right away for passive rewards. Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research and invest responsibly. But if you're excited about Aqua Doge's momentum and potential, don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button, stay tuned for updates, and let's ride this wave together. For more updates and insights on the latest in crypto and blockchain innovation, be sure to follow us on Twitter. There you'll find real-time news, exclusive content, and a community of like-minded tech enthusiasts. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.